Breaking Barriers 17 Game Changing Steps to Achieve Success. To achieve success, there are some things you should stop doing. 1. Stop doubting yourself. Confidence is a key factor in being successful because it can determine whether you reach your goals. A study by Howland Parker looked how people applied for job promotions at a company. They found that women only applied when they met all the criteria for the job, but men applied when they met just 60% of the criteria. This suggests that one reason why men dominated the top positions in the company is because they were more willing to apply for various roles. Sometimes, all you need to move to the next level is self-confidence, but you have to genuinely believe in yourself. Faking confidence won't have the same positive impact. 2. Stop procrastinating. Another important thing to do on your path to success is to stop procrastinating. Change and self-improvement are challenging for everyone. It takes courage to pursue your goals, and the effort required to achieve them can be tough. When things become difficult, it's tempting to postpone them to another day. But the problem is, tomorrow never actually arrives. Saying you'll do something tomorrow is often an excuse, and it usually means one of two things. Either you don't genuinely want to do it, or you want results without putting in the necessary hard work. 3. Stop repeating the same actions and expecting different outcomes. Albert Einstein once said that it's like being insane to do the same thing and hope for a different result. Even though this idea is well known, some people still believe that someday 1 plus 1 will equal 3. The reality is that if you keep using the same method, you'll keep getting the same results no matter how much you wish for something different. To get different results, you have to change your approach even if it's hard or uncomfortable to do so. 4. Stop assuming that everything will magically resolve itself. While it's tempting to believe that, the truth is you have to take action to make things work. This applies in many ways. For example, don't expect your coworker to stop giving you extra work if you always say yes. Don't assume people will stop taking advantage of you unless you set boundaries. And don't count on your boss recognizing your readiness for a promotion without you taking proactive steps. Things won't simply work out on their own. You need to be proactive and take responsibility for your own situation. 5. Quitting the habit of always saying yes is crucial. Every time you say yes to something, you're essentially making a trade-off. By agreeing to one thing, you're saying no to something else. For instance, saying yes to working late might mean saying no to going to the gym or having dinner with your family. Research from the University of California, San Francisco shows that the more difficult it is for you to say no, the more likely you are to experience stress, burnout, and even depression. Many people find it tough to say no, but it's a powerful word that you shouldn't be afraid to use. Avoid vague responses like, "I don't think I can" or "I'm not sure." When the time comes to say no, doing so respects your prior commitments and gives you the opportunity to fulfill them successfully. Learning to say no liberates you from unnecessary obligations and frees up your time and energy for more important things in life. 6. Stop making excuses if you want to succeed. Instead of blaming others or making justifications when things don't go your way, you should be ready to take responsibility for your own mistakes. Successful people don't rely on excuses. It's a fact that you'll make mistakes and encounter failures along the way. When this happens, it's important to reflect on your actions without harsh self-judgment and determine how you can improve in the future. There's no need to waste time inventing excuses for your lack of success. 7. Stop dwelling on the negative aspects of life. While there will always be negative circumstances that are beyond your control, there are also plenty of positive experiences. You can choose to have a positive outlook. If you want success, it's crucial to concentrate on the good things. You shouldn't completely ignore the negative, but you don't need to give it excessive attention either. If you do, you'll never feel content because you're too focused on the unfavorable aspects of your life. Even if you reach a certain level of success, constantly fixating on the negative will prevent you from truly enjoying and appreciating your accomplishments. 8. Stop being afraid of failure. As mentioned earlier, failure is inevitable, and the sooner you accept this, the better. There's no need to fear it. Instead, you should embrace it. Learn from your failures and use them as stepping stones for improvement. When you're successful, it means you're constantly pushing yourself. When you fail at something, it doesn't define your worth as a person. You're not a flawed individual. Failure should be seen as an opportunity for personal growth, not something to be afraid of. 9. To achieve success, you should stop seeking the easiest path. Success is not meant to be an effortless journey where you avoid challenges and hardships. Successful individuals don't try to take the shortcut and cruise through life without any effort. Smooth sailing is not the recipe for success. At times, you need to challenge yourself, push your boundaries, and aim to reach your highest potential, even surpass it. That process in and of itself is the essence of success. 10. Another thing you should quit doing on your journey to success is being overly hard on yourself. Just as you wouldn't physically beat yourself up, there's no need to do it mentally or emotionally. Learning how to manage your thoughts and emotions when facing challenging situations is crucial for achieving success. It's okay to feel upset or express your emotions in a healthy manner from time to time. However, it's not productive to dwell on past mistakes and berate yourself for things that have already happened. Spending excessive time and energy on self-criticism diverts your focus from more important pursuits like working toward your goals. Number 11. Being ungrateful is something you should avoid. The key to finding more satisfaction in life is to practice gratitude. If you want to repel joy, happiness, and contentment, then stay ungrateful. Gratitude not only brings happiness but also paves the way for success. If you appreciate your life and everything it includes, you'll have an easier time achieving your goals and accumulating wealth, which doesn't just mean financial wealth but various forms of it. It's not to say that all financially wealthy individuals are grateful and successful, or that all financially poor people are ungrateful and unsuccessful. Being ungrateful doesn't align with progressing in life. If you desire success, take note of the things you're thankful for. Your gratitude will act as a guiding force in your life, helping you make decisions that eventually lead to success. 12. It's important not to only think about your own needs. Concentrating solely on yourself won't lead to success. Even if you become the wealthiest person on the planet, it's clear that you have immense wealth, but if you achieved it at the expense of others, being selfish and egotistical, you're not genuinely successful. Chances are, you wouldn't be happy either. Sometimes, the most effective way to achieve success is by helping others. 13. Quitting the habit of getting distracted is crucial. You might have had plans to start your dream business, write a book, or travel around Europe, but life often throws unexpected things your way. It's natural for detours to occur, but it's important not to let distractions keep you from turning your dreams into reality. When distractions divert you from your passions, you move farther away from achieving your ultimate success. 14. Ending the habit of living aimlessly is essential. It's your responsibility to define your life goals and objectives to achieve success. This means working towards your life's purpose every day. What do you want to achieve the most? Whether it's something grand like world peace or solving hunger, or something more personal like finding happiness, it doesn't matter how ambitious it is. The key is to aim to be the best version of yourself. Wandering through life without direction or without making a positive contribution to society is not a path successful people typically take. 15. One of the most important things to remember is to not give up. How do you react when you encounter a seemingly insurmountable obstacle? Do you throw in the towel or do you keep pushing forward? Successful individuals don't give up. They are determined to reach their goals. They might not always achieve them, but they don't let obstacles deter them from trying. This means persevering in the face of failures and setbacks. It's important to understand that success can take different forms. What leads to financial success might not necessarily lead to success in relationships, and being a successful athlete doesn't automatically make you successful in academics. Success varies depending on the situation, so it's crucial not to lose hope and keep pushing forward. 16. It's important not to spend all your free time on social media or watching television. We've all experienced those moments when we start researching something online and end up getting sidetracked by funny cat videos or other distractions. Before we know it, an hour has passed without us realizing it. How much time do you allocate to browsing the internet, watching TV, or scrolling through social media? While these activities can be fun and sometimes necessary, it's essential not to let the digital age hinder your progress in the tasks that need to be done today. There's nothing wrong with enjoying these activities in moderation, but it's crucial to ensure that you're dedicating your time to things that will propel you towards a more successful life. 17. Let go of negative people in your life. As Jim Rohn once said, you become the average of the 5 people you spend the most time with. The individuals you surround yourself with have a significant impact on your life's direction. So, who are your frequent companions? This is crucial because you can't expect to achieve greatness if you're constantly in the company of those who hold you back. Take a good look at your social circle and assess whether there are changes you need to make. Ultimately, the core of success is giving your best effort. If you consistently do your best without causing harm to others in the process, then you are successful. This applies to various aspects of life, including work, friendships, family, relationships, and hobbies. To quote John Wooden, success is peace of mind which comes from knowing you did your best to become the best you're capable of becoming. There are numerous ways we hinder our own potential. We doubt ourselves, we procrastinate, or we convince ourselves that something is too difficult. If you genuinely want to succeed, shift your focus from what you should be doing to what you should quit doing. It's about letting go of negative influences, self-doubt, and procrastination, and channeling your energy into positive actions that lead you toward your goals. Thank you for tuning in. If you liked what you heard, don't hesitate to show your support. If you're just joining us, a warm welcome to you and think about hitting that subscribe button for more exciting content. With that, I wish you all a fantastic day and I'll catch you in the next one. Stash Cash signing off.